Hi, welcome back to Seawheels. If you're checking out the channel for the first time, my name is Tim, and this channel covers a variety of disability-related travel topics and the occasional just travel in general. Today we're starting a new segment called Cruise News. It's not going to be every week, but from time to time we're going to cover cruise-related topics that are either interesting or funny or things you might need to know. Today we're going to talk about traveling on a cruise during a hurricane. For anybody who's been following the channel for a bit, or anybody who knows me, you'll know I'm located in Atlantic Canada. We have a few popular cruise ports in the area that are popular with most of the major cruise lines. You have Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, Halifax, Nova Scotia, and St. John, New Brunswick. And on any given day during the busy cruise season, late summer or early fall, you'll find 1 to 2 ships here on any given day. But today I noticed there are 3 ships in St. John, which is a bit unordinary. Sometimes you might see 2, but usually you don't see 3 together, so I did some digging. I discovered there was only 2 ships scheduled to be in St. John Harbor today, the Emerald Princess and the Vista. But because of Hurricane Lee, the Norwegian Escape came in 1 day early to beat the bad weather. The bad weather from Hurricane Lee is a reminder that not all ports of call are guaranteed. In some cases, you might have to arrive early or have a shorter stop, similar to what happened with the Norwegian Escape today in St. John, or you might have what happened to the Liberty of the Seas this week, where their trip to St. John was just completely canceled to avoid the storm. So this sort of thing does happen on cruises. The question is, what do we do when this sort of situation arises? When a port of call is canceled or an itinerary changes due to unforeseen circumstances, it could be something as simple as bad weather or even just a boating accident in the harbor, and this is something out of the cruise control. So if you have to rebook a shore excursion or go for a refund, make sure you be kind. If your port of call is canceled or the itinerary for your port of call changes, keep in mind it's not necessarily always a bad thing. In some cases, you can get to see a port of call that you wouldn't have beforehand, maybe something that's a little bit more rare and gives you more opportunities. Now, in other cases, you could end up with a refund of some sort due to a shore excursion, and hey, maybe you can spend that on some other things that are on the boat. It doesn't always have to be bad. You can just turn the bad into a different direction for your vacation. One final benefit to look at if your port of call changes or gets canceled due to bad weather is that if you're somebody who's prone to seasickness, trust me, you are way better off avoiding that storm, because the last thing you want is if you get seasick or one of the people that you're traveling with gets seasick, is having to go through that storm. Believe me, I've been there. You don't want to do it if you don't have to. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you're one of the people who's had a port of call change or had one canceled, or if you've sailed through a storm, comment below. We want to hear all about it. And remember, if you want to be able to travel better, it's as easy as follow me.